puppy. That is one beautiful machine. Next up is probably going to be for today's ride. I don't really know where I'm gonna go. Same as always, I'm just gonna ride in the hill country. Actually get to the hill country. Alright, now we in the hill country, boys. I don't really have any plans to talk about anything. I don't have plans to ride anywhere. I don't have plans to talk about anything. I suck, man. But you know what doesn't suck? Riding this motorcycle. Come on, straight away, buddy. Hopefully the audio's not picking up my music. I don't want to be copyrighted. Not my YouTube account. Oh no! Nah, I don't give a fuck about my YouTube account. I got all my videos backloaded on a fat ass 10 terabyte hard drive. Alright, speed limit 40. We're hitting warp speed here. Well, that car that I passed up is long gone. I can't even see it in my rear view.
A few moments later.
Well, now that car is catching up. These guys are ruining my life. So I've been building up my Plex media server. I guess I'll talk about that. I got over 1,200 movies on it, like over 80,000 songs and a bunch of TV shows. So that's pretty cool. And I recently bought a Synology NAS, network attached storage. I'm gonna throw two 10 terabyte drives in that and RAID 5. Well, I'm gonna RAID 1 them for now. The plan is to add another 10 terabyte in the future, and then I'm going to RAID 5 them. Basically, that just makes them so if one drive dies, all the content is safe. So I'm going to do that. I have all my stuff backing up to this service called Backblaze right now. $7 a month for unlimited data. Pretty good. I don't know how they do that when Google and Apple and everybody else charges out the ass for data, for cloud storage. Whatever, I'm not going to question it. Yeah, because I have about 9 terabytes total of data right now. So it's been backing up for a good while. I'd say at least a week now. And it's still got about 1 terabyte left. So it's almost done. then honestly, I think it might be a good idea to just keep the service, because if one dies, likely another one is gonna die, and if I lose two, I'm pretty much fucked. All my data's gone. We'll go this way, fuck it. We'll check out what's down here today. These are pretty nice twisties over here. What is going on down here? The Villa Manila, 15.6 acres, private property. Yeah, I was contemplating buying a Enduro. Oh god, a deer. Come on, little guy. But another biker brought up a good point. There's just tons of, it's not like California where there's a bunch of BLM land to ride on. Basically all the land out here is private property. So yeah, you think of Texas as like this giant, like Arizona, or Nevada, like a desert bowl, but it's all private property. But I still might get one, because there are tons of parks and stuff you can go to out here. Yeah, on roads that I've never been down, like this one, I more or less do the speed limit. I'm driving like a grandma right now, because I don't want no surprises. As always, thanks for joining me on the Sunday ride. Like, comment, subscribe.